Hollywood star Johnny Depp on Monday lost his libel lawsuit against British newspaper The Sun for branding him a wife-beater in a case that laid bare his chaotic lifestyle. The judge has had it with Heard? No more? Great news for Depp. High Court Judge Andrew Nicol dismissed the 57-year-old's claim, saying the newspaper group's article had been proven to be substantially true, adding the claimant has not succeeded in his action for libel. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor sued the tabloid's publisher Newsgroup Newspapers and the author of the article over claims he was violent to ex-wife Amber Heard during their volatile 2-year marriage. 3 weeks of rancorous testimony at the case dubbed the biggest English libel trial of the 21st century included claims of drug abuse and domestic violence. I have found that the great majority of alleged assaults of Miss Heard by Mr. Depp have been proven to be civil standard, said Judge Nicol, meaning he deemed the claims more likely than not to be true on the balance of probability. I have reached these conclusions having examined in detail the 14 incidents in which the defendants rely, as well as the overarching considerations which the claimant submitted I should take into account, he added. The Sun, in response, thanked the judge for his careful consideration and Amber Heard for her courage in giving evidence to the court. Standing up for his friend, comic Doug Stanhope has come forward to defend his pal Johnny Depp, penning a column in support of the actor in the wake of his divorce from Amber Heard and her claims of domestic abuse. We assumed initially that his dour mood was because of his mother's death the day before, the comedian writes, but he opened up in the most vulnerable of ways that it was not only his mother, but that Amber was now going to leave him, threatening to lie about him publicly in any and every possible duplicitous way if he didn't agree to her terms. Blackmail is what I would imagine other people might put it, including the manner in which he is now being vilified. Actor Johnny Depp has lost his court case against the British publication The Sun, which called him a wife-beater in 2018. For years, Depp reigned as one of the biggest actors in Hollywood, scoring raves from critics and a dedicated fan base. Some of his most popular roles include Captain Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise and the titular character in Sweeney Todd, the demon barber of Fleet Street, both of which earned him Oscar nominations. However, Depp's career has seen a decline in recent years, though he remains one of the main performers in Warner Bros.' ongoing Fantastic Beasts franchise. Adding particular harm to his career are the allegations leveled at him by ex-wife Amber Heard. The two met on the set of The Rum Diaries and were married from 2015 to 2017. When Heard filed for divorce in 2016, she obtained a restraining order against Depp, alleging he physically and verbally abused her. This led to a great deal of controversy when Depp was cast in the Fantastic Beasts film and seemingly led to him being dropped from the Pirates of the Caribbean. In 2019, Depp sued Heard for defamation over an op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post. Depp also sued The Sun for libel after the publication ran a piece in the 2018 calling him a wife-beater. The latter case went to trial in July, and as of Monday morning, a decision has been reached. Per US Weekly, Judge Andrew Nicol from the Royal Courts of Justice in London ruled against Depp, stating that he believes The Sun's 2018 piece to be substantially true. Nicol determined there was sufficient evidence to support Heard's claims that Depp abused her, even going on to say Heard's allegations have had a negative effect on her career as an actor and activist. In his 129-page judgment, Nicol wrote, "I accept her evidence of the nature of the assaults he committed against her. They must have been terrifying. I accept that Mr. Depp put her in fear of her life." The situation surrounding Depp and Heard has only gotten more complicated over the years, as Depp himself has come forward with his own evidence that Heard was the abuser. Both Depp and Heard are poised to appear in major blockbuster films over the next few years, with Depp starring as Gellert Grindelwald in Fantastic Beasts, and Heard returning as Mera in Aquaman 2 and Zack Snyder's Justice League. For some time now, many have wondered if this brutal legal battle will impact any projects featuring either Depp or Heard. It's been said Depp intends to appeal the verdict, though it isn't yet clear how that will turn out for the embattled actor. Meanwhile, Depp's defamation case against Heard remains ongoing. Depp attempted to move the case around his filming schedule for Fantastic Beasts 3, but he wasn't granted the change. Production on Fantastic Beasts 3 picked up recently following COVID-related delays, and it's expected that Depp will report for filming in between his court appearances. Here's every major movie role Johnny Depp passed on. Over the course of nearly 40 years, Depp's career has taken some truly unexpected twists and turns. After famously getting his start as one of Freddy Krueger's unfortunate victims during the original A Nightmare on Elm Street, the actor gradually evolved into a teen heartthrob thanks to his performance on the 21 Jump Street TV show in the late 1980s. Over the decade that followed, Depp found his niche as an eccentric character actor, while at the same time becoming Tim Burton's muse and, as many would argue, on-screen stand-in. The duo have gone to make 8 films together so far, ranging from the Oscar-winning biopic Ed Wood to Disney's billion-dollar grossing Alice in Wonderland reimagining. In that same period, Depp stumbled upon perhaps his most popular role and certainly the most lucrative one as Jack Sparrow, beginning with the surprise smash success of the first Pirates of the Caribbean movie in 2003. Thanks to the swashbuckling franchise, Depp's films have grossed more than $10 billion at the box office and led to him setting a world record for the highest paid actor in 2012. In recent years, however, his career has taken on damage between starring in a string of costly misfires, The Lone Ranger, Transcendence, Alice Through the Looking Glass, and his personal life overshadowing his work on screen. Depp is no longer the magnate he was in the 2000s. Not helping matters, what was once an inventive way of altering his physical appearance with prosthetics and ultra-pale makeup has now become his shtick, if also one he has seemed to consciously move away from with his most recent films, Fantastic Beasts notwithstanding. Being at a crossroads like he is, now as a good time as any to look back on the various movies Depp has turned down since he started acting. John Hughes' iconic 80s high school comedy Ferris Bueller's Day Off made a big name out of Matthew Broderick, at a time when the actor had only just gotten his start appearing in the sci-fi film War Games and fantasy adventure Lady Hawk. Prior to his casting though, a lot of megastars in the making were considered for the eponymous role, ranging from Tom Cruise to Robert Downey Jr. and Depp. During his appearance on the Inside the Actor Studio in 2002, Depp confirmed he'd been in the running to play Ferris, but had to pass as he was unavailable at the time.